Welcome to Magitools. Today's topic is how to create templates in Canva. Well, the short answer to this question is there is no dedicated function or option in Canva for you to actually create templates. However, there obviously are ways for you to easily reuse designs that you have already created, and like this you can use them as some sort of template. Let me just quickly demonstrate how that works. First of all, I'm just going to create a design here. I will just go with some custom size here, 1280 by 720 pixels, create new design. And let's make it just very simple. I'm heading over here to photos. I'm just gonna add some random photo in here. Right click it, set image as background, maybe add another page here. Let's go with that picture here, set image as background. And let's suppose that is my project. Now, if I would like to use this as a template, as I said earlier, there is no dedicated template function in Canva. So to actually reuse this kind of like a template, what you need to do in Canva is you would simply go to File here, and then you go to Make a Copy. As simple as it may sound, this is really how to use your work as a template for future projects. Now in my case here, as our project is that simple and just contains two pictures, it doesn't seem to make a lot of sense. But if you have a lot of elements in your projects and maybe some special fonts and some custom elements, then obviously whenever you make a copy of your design and then instead of having to start from scratch, this can actually be a huge time saver. Now, another way to create templates in Canva is to start with Canva's own templates. To do so, head over here to Templates, and from there simply drag and drop your desired template into your project. Now, if you like this design, you can obviously adjust all these elements here and make it your own template. So you could just adjust this template to your liking and use it as your own template. And then if you would like to use this for several projects, you would just do the same as we have discussed before. You would just go to File and then to Make a Copy, and then you could use it for other projects as well and take it from there. Now, if you're on Canva Pro, you can also share your projects as a template. To do so, please head over here to Share. And there simply click on this down arrow here next to Share a Link to Edit, and there you can just choose Share a Link to use as template. Like this you can easily share your design with team members, and they will be able to use your designs as a starting point for their own projects. Please note that this is a Canva Pro only feature. So if you're using the free version of Canva, you won't be able to share a link as a template. And that's it, guys, all you need to know about how to create and work with templates in Canva. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.